Logistic model. Suppose the population of the world was about 6.2 billion in 2000. Birth rates around that time ranged from 35 to 40 million per year, and death rates ranged from 15 to 20 million per year. Let's assume that the carrying capacity for the world population is 20 billion. Write the logistic differential equation for this data. Because the initial population is small compared to the carrying capacity, you can take k to be the estimate of the initial relative growth rate. The logistic differential model is dp over dt equals k times p times 1 minus p over m. From here, we see that k equals dp over dt divided by p times 1 minus p over m, where dp over dt is approximately the change in the rate, which is the birth rate minus the death rate. We were told to use the maximum birth rate and death rates. The maximum birth rate is 40 and the maximum death rate is 20. Thus, 40 minus 20 is 20 million per year. This is 0.02 billion per year. The carrying capacity is 20 billion and the initial population is 6.2 billion. Therefore, k is 0.02 divided by 6.2 times 1 minus 6.2 over 20. And this is approximately 0.004675. The logistic differential model is dp over dt equals 0.004675 times p times 1 minus p over 20. T the years in 2000. In 2010, therefore T is 10. To estimate the population in 2010, we use the solution to the logistic model, which is m over 1 plus a e to the negative kt, where m is the carrying capacity, 20. K, we found it 0.004675, and a is m minus p naught over p naught, where m is 20, p naught is 6.2. M is the carrying capacity and P naught is the initial population. Use these to compute A. We have A equals 69 over 31. Thus P of T equals 20 over 1 plus 69 over 31 e to the negative 0.004675 t. This is the logistic equation. When t equals 10, we just simply plug in 10 into t. Evaluate this, we have 6.4 billion. The population in 2010 is estimated to be 6.40 billion. T is the number of years in 2000, thus in 2100, T is 100, and in 2400, T is 400. To predict the world population in million in the year 2100 and 2400, we simply plug in T equals 100 and T equals 400 into the solution of the logistic model. Plug in 100, we obtain 8.35 billion, and plug in 400, we obtain 14.89 billion. These are the predicted population in 2100 and 2400. These estimates are way out in the future. They are extrapolation. The result might not be accurate. Suppose we want to know when the world population will reach 10 billion using our logistic model, which is P of T equals 20 over 1 plus 69 over 31 e to the negative 0.004675 t. Thus, we want P of T to be 10 billion. Plugging 10 into P of T, we just simply need to isolate T. First, we isolate 1 plus 69 over 31 e to the negative 0.004675 t, which is 2. Thus, 69 over 31 e to the negative 0.004675 t is 1. We then isolate e to the negative 0.004675 t to obtain 31 over 69, and then ln both sides of the equation. We then isolate t to obtain t is approximately 171 years, but t is the number of years in 2000. Thus, the world population will reach 10 billion in the year 2171.